In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send data to Zapier Webhooks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, what exactly are Zapier Webhooks? They're a powerful way to send and receive data between applications. With this tool, you can automate processes, easily integrate apps, and streamline your workflows. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, click on Create. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page, so it shouldn't be hard to find. After clicking on Create, you will see several options, but make sure to choose Zaps. Think of Zaps as the magic connection between two apps that will help you automate your tasks. Now comes the fun part. You'll want to establish a trigger event. To do this, click on Trigger. Trigger events are what start your Zap, and we're going to link this to our webhook. In the search bar that appears, type in webhooks. This option connects your Zap to external services. When you see it, click on it to move forward. Now you'll need to choose an event within webhooks. Click on Choose an Event next, and from the drop-down menu, select Catch Hook. This means your Zap will listen for incoming data from your webhook. Once that's selected, click Continue. Zapier will now provide you with a unique URL. This is your webhook URL, and it's where you'll send your data from other applications. Next, you have a crucial step. Click on Test Trigger. This will help you verify that the connection is active and working. When you send a test request to that unique URL, go back to your Zap and click Test Trigger. If everything is set up correctly, Zapier will show you the data it received. This is a great way to ensure that your webhook is configured properly before you start sending actual data. Now that your webhook setup is complete, you can start sending data. You can implement your webhook URL in the application of your choice, such as a custom form or another service that allows for HTTP requests. Just make sure to send a properly formatted request to that URL. Once you're ready, don't forget to click Continue to finalize your trigger setup. After confirming that everything is in order, you can then set up the actions that will occur when data arrives at your webhook. These actions can range from sending emails to updating spreadsheets and everything in between. Congratulations! You've successfully set up webhooks in Zapier and connected them to your other applications. You now have a powerful tool to automate your workflows and manage data seamlessly. That wraps up our tutorial on setting up and sending data to Zapier webhooks. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. See you next time.